Informal settlers and civil society organizations also expressed elation over the no relocation, no demolition policy of President Duterte. These groups are also suggesting measures to further boost disaster preparedness among the people. This report.
The pro-poor programs and plans such as no demolition without relocation mentioned by President Rodrigo Duterte in his first State of the Nation address earned positive reactions from various citizens and some civil society organizations.
We have to adjust to the needs of our people. Total yan naman yung squatter na yan. As long as I sit there as president, there will be no demolitions without relocations. Di talaga papayag.
Residents like Edwin and Clarita happily shared their feedback about this.
Pabor sa mga mahirap. Wala nang magpapalayas pa sa iyo.
Nung nagsalita siya na walang demolish, ay tuwang-tuwa kami. Okay, basta may relocation.
Meanwhile, some private groups presented a list of suggestions to further strengthen our programs for disaster risk and reduction management, or DRRM, through 911, which means 9 calls, 1 agenda, and 1 resilient Philippines. The group's lead convener said they intend to submit it to the office of the president. Among their 9 calls include creation of Magna Carta for volunteers and employees of DRRM, construction of more multipurpose evacuation centers, and passage of a mandatory bill to Republic Act 10121, which aims to build an independent national risk reduction management authority.
Sana walang nahihirapan pagkatapos ng isang disaster dahil sinasabi nga natin na kaya nagkakaroon ng disaster kasi napakalaki ng usapin ng walang sapat na kabuhayan ang mga mamamayan, kaya nahihirapan silang lumipat sa isang ligtas na lugar na kung saan ay may matibay na bahay.
The involved groups believe this would directly benefit Filipinos, especially those from the marginalized sector, because they are also the common victims of calamities and disasters such as strong typhoons and flooding. For the PTV News, Sweden Velado.
Ako po si Kathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.